Good day, everyone. I am Kristalove Kabil, a third-year student from St. Rita's College of Balingasag. I will teach you how to use MySQL in Syntax. If there's an existing database, just type show databases. We will use the employee database. Just type use employee DB. In employee DB, there's an existing table, which is the employee table. Select all from employee. So these are the values under employee table. Now, we will use the in syntax. Just type select all from employee, where employee full name in Kristalove Kabil and Francis July Ilago. Another example, select all from employee, where employee full name in J. De Los Santos and Pon Alken.